What's up guys, welcome back to me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kyrie Infinity Man Machine colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, you can see the Nike swoosh here is a little bit smaller than the authentic, because you can see here the gap is too far, this one is too close, and also the stitching here is messed up, a little bit crooked. And another sample again, you can see the stitching is too much. You can see it's a little bit longer than the authentic one, and this one also you can see here the stitching is messed up, it's crooked too much. And this one you can see the layer here, you can see here on the marking area the stitching goes all the way down to the midsole. You can see it's too close, there is no gap here, whereas on the authentic one there is a gap here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, again this one the stitching is too wide. It's wider on the fake one compared to the authentic. The authentic is a little bit narrow, and this one also the stitching here is end up V. It's like a V shape, whereas on the authentic one stitching here is end up like a A letter. And this one you can see here the stitching direction is different, it's reversed. Moving to the back of the shoes, you can see the Kyrie logo on the fake one is like a little bit sloopy compared to the authentic. And also this one is slightly to the right, it's not placed right in the middle. Take a closer look, see here, it's slightly to the right, it's not placed right in the middle. Also it's a little bit go down, there's no gap here. This one has a lot more gap. This one is a little bit come up, the Kyrie logo is a little bit come up. And this one also again is a lot more sloopy than the authentic. This one is the easiest part to spot fake Kyrie Infinity. You can see the signature, it's slightly to the right. You can see here, see my pointer. This one, pay attention to this. This one is slightly to the left, this one, and this one is slightly to the right, and this one also slightly go down. And another sample again, this one is slightly come up. Alright guys, that's my explanation, I hope you get it, and if you have any question just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.